The Silver Series Optimate 5 Start-Stop automatically saves, charges, and maintains all 12-volt lead-acid batteries of medium to large size found in these vehicles and equipment. Optimate 5 is trusted by these fine vehicle and equipment manufacturers for the following reasons. Its intelligent 7-step program that automatically diagnoses battery condition and applies the most suitable charge steps to bring the battery to full charge, including the proven 3-step save mode, which can recover a dead flat sulfated battery from as low as 0.5 volts, a battery test to confirm the battery is healthy, and the smart 24/7 battery maintenance, during which Optimate 5 can be safely left connected to a battery for weeks or months at a time. And all these come with a fully automatic operation. Simply connect to the battery and the Optimate 5 does the rest. Optimate 5 has a sealed enclosure that can withstand accidental liquid spillage, and it can be wall-mounted. The cables are rated for use down to -40 degrees. The power cable and plug fit the AC socket in your region, but can accept voltage ranging from 100 to 240 volts. The charge cable connects to the battery with these included accessories. The O04 clips are ideal for quickly charging a battery in the vehicle. The O11 fused battery harness allows for easy on-vehicle battery charging and maintenance. The charge panel displays charge progress. Lamp 1 lights when Optimate 5 is connected to AC power. Lamp 2 lights if you connected the battery incorrectly. Optimate 5 will start charging if the battery's voltage is at least 0.5 volts. If LED 3 lights, your battery's charge level is below the minimum charge required to successfully start the vehicle. For starter batteries, that is about 12.2 volts. The proven 3-step save mode works as follows. Step 1 senses if the battery is connected to vehicle circuitry. Step 2 desulfates the battery so it can once again accept charge, and Step 3 completes the recovery, reconditioning the battery so it can once again hold charge. It is best to recover a sulfated battery out of the vehicle. If left connected to vehicle circuitry, the save mode skips Step 2. Lamp 4 lights if the battery's resting voltage measures higher than 12.2 volts. A constant current bulk charge is delivered, followed by pulsed absorption that equalize the 6 cells within the battery. Lamp 5 lights when the battery has reached full charge. A test is performed. The rest voltage is monitored. This may take from 30 minutes to 12 hours. LED 5 continues to indicate if the battery is healthy. Following the test, the safe interactive maintenance program will keep your battery fully charged. During each hour of 24/7 battery care, the battery rests for 30 minutes, and during the following 30 minutes, it receives a controlled maintenance charge that continuously improves battery health as long as it remains connected. If lamp 6 turns on and blinks, the battery was unable to hold more than 50% charge. Note that this may also occur if the ignition or other electrical equipment is turned on whilst the Optimate 5 is testing or maintaining the battery. The most effective way for Optimate 5 to test a battery is disconnect the battery from vehicle circuitry and connect the Optimate 5. If lamp 6 turns on after charging, the battery should be replaced. Optimate 5 Start-Stop, the smart, fully automatic battery charger that extends the life of passenger vehicle batteries.